This video is a compilation of both the landing followed by the departure from the same airport in Minnesota called Todd Field. They have very good gas prices here, so the runway is 3,000 foot long. It's at 1332 feet elevation. The end of the runway comes fast during landing and departure, especially when you chew up quite a bit of the runway when you're landing. Anyway, enjoy. Let me know what you think.
And Todd traffic. Cessna Bowman Golf back taxi 16.
Full of fuel and taxiing for the departure back home. Watch how quickly the ground disappears beneath the airplane as the airplane reaches rotation speed. I didn't really notice this sitting in the captain's seat until this was pointed out to me by my fiance. But the ground really does accelerate. The ground really does give the impression of very high speeds.